Hey guys, this is Fix It John. We're working on an 05 Buick Lacrosse. We're going to put a serpentine belt or drive belt, whatever you want to call it. It's got 82,000 miles on it, so Hey, this is Fix It John again. Trying to remove a serpentine belt on a 05 3.8 liter Buick Lacrosse, and I'm trying to get to that nut right there. Having a hard time doing it with the overflow bottle in the way. So what I have is I have two bolts up here on that overflow bottle. I'll remove those, pull the bottle off, and then get to that nut. This is the belt I'll be using. It's a Dayco part number 5060905. It's for the 3.8 liter, and the thing I like about it is made in the USA. It's a poly rib quiet design. It has little edges on the inside of each rib. So if you got worn out pulleys and such, it'll help quiet the belt. Okay, I have a 10mm socket. I'm going to remove this reservoir bottle. Finagle it out of here. What we have here. Serpentine belt. Now I can get my wrench, and I'll be putting my ratchet right here on this 15mm nut. This one here, you can take a look at the routing for yourself a little bit here. Goes around the AC compressor, back up under the crank pulley, back around the power steering pump, up around the tensioner, back down around the power steering pump, and then the alternator. So that's how it's routed. Okay, I'll get my handy dandy tensioner pulley tool on here, and I'll push, take the tension off the puller, and I like to take it off the closest belt, which is up here, the alternator, just above the camera. I'll move the camera so you can see it right there. I like to take the tension off first, and Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a quick look-see. I use the tensioner pulley tool to take off the belt. You don't need one of these. I mean, it's just nice if you have to reach way down in there in a narrow spot, but I'm going to be putting the belt on with my ratchet and 15mm socket. I have a 12-point, preferably you'd want to use a 6-point, but you're not putting that much torque on it. So yeah, we'll put it back on with that to show you what you can use. Alright, I'm just going to unwrap this belt now, since I've already made a diagram of how it goes back on. Well, voila, there it is. Let's take a look at it. Really don't see any major cracks in it. There's a tool you can measure the depth of these ridges. That'll tell if it's worn out. I recommend that you save these old belts, you know, throw them in your trunk or something. That way, if you're on a trip or something and your belt breaks, bam, you have another one. AAA could put it on for you. Now, if the diagram isn't on the firewall or on the front here, you can print one up or just draw draw a diagram of the belt routing, so you'll know how to install it the way it came out. So what I like to do is I'll wrap this one around the power steering pump, and then I'll come around the alternator, back around the water pump, and I'll shoot it down around the crank. Put it around the crank, leave me enough slack to put it back around the water pump. And then way over here, I'll put it around the AC compressor. Can you see that? AC compressor right here. Keep it nice and tight. And the last thing I like to do, all right, I like to use another pulley besides the tensioner pulley to put the last pulley on. I've seen a lot of guys put that pulley on, but the thing is, if you put all these pulleys on and then use this as your last pulley to put the belt on, you're going to be fighting the ratchet, the wrench against the belt until you get enough slack out of it. Now what I like to do is go around and make sure I'll release the pressure and make sure it fits in the grooves before I'll start the car. Do you see how easy it slipped up over the water pump pulley? Just bam. Don't forget to reinstall your coolant bottle. It's just reverse procedure. And once again, I had to remove it so I could get my ratchet in there. That way, reattach your hoses, your electric power lines. I left the nuts up here, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.